Ransomware is a growing threat. Global costs are expected to reach $20 billion this year, with an attack occurring every 11 seconds. Ransom demands are going up, and downtime after an attack is increasing as data systems become more complex. Worse yet, attacks are becoming more sophisticated. New variants of ransomware specifically target and delete backup data, so victims have more incentive to pay. A backup solution is still the number one best defense against ransomware, but it's important to pick a solution that will keep your backup data safe from deletion and provide the tools you need to recover quickly in the event of an attack. Druva provides the most secure platform to keep your data safe and available anytime, anywhere. Protect. Druva solutions adhere to the most stringent security certifications in the world and also benefit from the security provided by AWS Cloud. Druva's ransomware-resistant architecture and multi-layered defense ensures your backup data will never be deleted or encrypted. Unlike on-premise or Windows-based solutions that are vulnerable to ransomware, Druva's cloud-native storage provides air-gapped, immutable backups. Your data is stored off-site in a separate account and protected with dual envelope encryption, both in motion and at rest. Plus, Druva's zero trust security model and authentication ensures that compromised credentials cannot be used to delete backup data. Even if a bad actor ends up deleting data and your backups, Druva's cloud operations teams are on watch, and delaying storage compaction will help you hit rewind. Making sure you have secure backup data is the first step in protecting your organization from a ransomware attack. But you also need tools to help you respond and recover fast. For select endpoints and hybrid workloads, Druva offers 5 key features to help you accelerate your recovery. Detect. Druva's access, insight, and anomaly detection features work with your primary environment security tools to help you quickly and accurately detect and respond to ransomware threats. However, bad actors rarely execute ransomware attacks on 9 a.m. on a Monday. Instead, they wait until 7 p.m. on the Friday before a 3-day weekend when no one will be in the office. Respond. Built-in integrations with SIEM and SOAR solutions help you to automate response activities like quarantining affected resources and snapshots. That means you can stop the spread of ransomware even if your IT team has gone home for the weekend. Recover. Reinfection is another big risk with ransomware. That's why Druva gives you the option to scan snapshots for malware or other indicators of compromise before you recover, so you can be sure the data that you're recovering is clean. But recovering from a single snapshot can result in data loss if you have to remove infected files. Druva's Golden Snapshot feature also helps you reduce data loss by automatically finding the most recent clean version of every file within a specific time frame. Identify. The final step in recovering from a ransomware attack is understanding what went wrong so you can improve your defenses. Druva makes it easy for security teams to access quarantine datasets for forensic investigation, so you can identify ransomware variants and pinpoint gaps in your security infrastructure. Ransomware attacks are on the rise, but with Druva's defense in depth, you can rest easy knowing you'll always have safe backup data and the tools you need to recover quickly. For more information, check out druva.com/usecases/ransomware.